reason I probably like bikes so much is because it's the only thing that keeps me happy no matter what. I can be in any mood right when I get on a bike.
Just got this new exhaust here from GGB exhaust. He's my voice. You guys gotta go get yourself one. The animal's got one. She's a beaut. Go get one now.
Merry Christmas, you filthy reindeer. I was sipping Fireball by a busted tree, tinsel hanging off the dog, lights flickering on me.
Heard a thud on the roof, then a curse so loud, Santa yelled, son of a bitch, and fell clean through the clouds.
He landed on a couch, pants halfway down, said, "You got a lighter, I lost mine in town."
He reeked of rum and bad decisions too, said, "Mrs. Claus dumped me, I'm partying with you."
Merry Christmas, you filthy slave, let's ride all night the wrong damn way. Shake them bells, don't stop the grind, 'cause Santa's coming from behind. Dasher's in the kitchen doing lines off a tray, Vixen's got her top off singing Santa Baby halfway.
Blitzing, snoring in the snowbank nude, while Prancer's getting tattoos that say Mrs. Dude.
Elf DJ cranking highway to